Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install Eclipse IDE on Ubuntu 24.04. Whether you're a Java developer, Python coder, or just getting started, Eclipse is a powerful tool to enhance your coding experience. So, let's get started. First, let's download Eclipse IDE. Open your web browser and go to the official Eclipse website. From there, locate and download the Eclipse installer, specifically designed for Linux systems. A new download window will open. Locate and click the download button to get the Eclipse installer. Just take note that when you use this method, the file is downloaded to your downloads folder. You can also use the wget command and download from the terminal. Just copy the link first. I prefer this method myself. Just take note that when you use this method, the file is downloaded to your home directory. Now extract the downloaded file using the following command. The command creates a new folder named Eclipse Installer in your current directory. Now change the directory to the Eclipse Installer folder using the cd command. Now let's install Eclipse. Run the following command. The Eclipse installer presents multiple IDE options. I will use the Eclipse IDE tailored for Java development. Just select the one you want. Now you can launch Eclipse by searching for it in your applications menu or by launching it from here. And there you have it. Eclipse IDE is now installed on Ubuntu 24.04. You can create your first project and start coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.